a lot of new UX designers face issues while writing their first UX case study because they've read a few case studies, but they don't know the proper recipe behind it. Can you give us some advice or some tips that we can use while working on our own personal project case studies?
So I think there's already a lot of information on the internet about this. There are several templates and how to get started tips. However, what I believe is you don't need to cover all the theoretical steps mentioned in the design process to complete your case study. So I believe your case study should be a story that talks about how you dealt with a problem statement and in the most organic way. What I've noticed is a lot of people skip the part about collaboration in their case studies. It's usually like, I did this and then I did this. I'm not sure if that's a good trait because when you're at work, when you're working in a company, you have to work alongside other people. So talking about teamwork, collaboration, shared outcomes and impact can be super useful when it comes to case studies.
You just saw a snippet from whiteboard.fm. You can watch the entire episode by clicking on the link in description. We have hundreds of clips on design case studies, hiring processes, and much more. This podcast is a part of the 10K Designers Network. Check out our website whiteboard.fm to learn more.